Hello everyone and welcome to the Distinct Mastering YouTube channel. My name is Freddie. Happy holidays, and as we gear up for 2025, I've got something super exciting to discuss with you all. I'm thrilled to introduce the new memberships for Distinct Mastering. I've been working on growing this channel for 4 years now, and I've never missed a video. I've done one video every week since 2021. And that being said, I'm now offering the next step to getting closer with Distinct Mastering's membership. I'm going to be giving away some behind the scenes content, exclusive bonus only content, sounds, samples, Ableton racks. You can join in depending on the package level you pick. For just $1.99 a month, you can become a supporter, and this package is just for those that want to support the channel and enjoy what I do. It really will help keep these videos going week by week, and I will be offering some behind the scenes content, members only areas, polls, and various things. You'll also get access to the live streams and feedback Q&As that I'm going to be doing. So if you want to join the supporter tier, you can do that on YouTube, or you can do that on Patreon. Now, for $9.99 a month, on Patreon only, I'm offering a creator tier. This is for those producers that want to get more involved, get access to sounds, samples, presets I make, Ableton racks. The world is yours. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'll also be giving those the ability to submit their tracks for the mixed feedbacks and questions for the Q&A live streams as well. So not only do you get to participate, but you can also submit your stuff for review. So this is the creator tier on Patreon only for $9.99 a month. Thanks so much for your consideration. Your support will continue to allow me to give you tips, tricks, show you how I produce music, give you access to some of the resources and things that I've used and saved over time, and just help you take your music to the next level. So if you're ready to join as a member, just check out the memberships tab on YouTube, or you can head on down into the description to check out all the Patreon options that I'm offering. Thank you so much for your support. My name is Freddie from Distinct Mastering, and I will see you inside the memberships area. Peace.